One new item. Double tap to open.
Ngayon ay tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano buksan or paano i-activate ang words, characters, at speaking rate sa voice over ng iPhone. Tap natin ang settings.
Settings. Now. Accessibility. Personalized iPhone. Settings. Settings. Back button. Accessibility. Personalized iPhone and Wave. That work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, vision. Voiceover. Zoom. Voiceover. On.
Open
Button.
natin ang voice over.
Voiceover. Switch. Voiceover. Tap. Double tap. Learn more. Link. What's voiceover practice.
Hanapin natin
Button.
ang rotor.
Voiceover. Speaking rate. Speaking rate. Adjust the speed. Speech. Braille. But. Voiceover. Verbosity. Audio. Command. Rotor. Button. Rotor items.
Tap natin ang rotor.
Change rotor with item. Switch button. Rotor items. Button.
Tap natin ang rotor items.
Rotor. Rotor items. Button. Characters. Actions available.
Ngayon, kung maririnig nyo yung characters,
Rotor activities. Actions available. Rotor. Rotor items. Heading. Characters.
yan,
Actions available.
hindi naka-select or naka-check ang characters. So, check natin.
Rotor items. Characters. Actions available. Selected. Characters.
Yun, naka-select na.
Reorder characters. Words. Swipe up or down to select the
Words.
custom action. Then double tap to
Select
activate.
natin.
Selected. Words. Reorder word. Selected. Reorder lines. Selected. Reorder text select. Speaking rate. Swipe up or down to select the custom action. Then double tap to act. Selected.
Select
Speaking rate.
natin.
Reorder speaking rate. Selected. Speaking rate.
Yan,
Swipe up or down to select the custom action. Then double tap to activate. Reorder text. Selected. Reorder line. Selected. Reorder words. Selected. Words. Swipe up or down to select the custom action. Reorder characters. Button. Selected. Characters. Swipe up or down to select the custom action. Rotor items. Heading.
Then,
Rotor. Back button.
back natin.
Rotor items. Button. Change rotor. Rotor items. Button. Rotor. Heading. Voiceover. Back button.
Back ulit natin.
Rotor. Button.
Ngayon, i-try na natin kung gumagana na yung mga items na sinelect. Ang pag-ikot nito, para kang nagbukas ng takip sa garapon. Yung dalawang daliri ay nakalapat sa screen. Ngayon, ikutin na natin.
Word.
Yun, naririnig natin ang word,
Characters.
characters,
Words. Speaking rate. 70%.
speaking rate. So, try natin gamit ang speaking rate.
65%. Quick settings allow you to
Swipe
access voiceover
down.
settings at any time. Access
Ayun,
quick settings with two
nagbabawas
finger
siya
quadruple
ng
tap.
bilis pagsasalita.
70%.
Swipe up para sa bilis ng pagsasalita. So, yung kaninang swipe down, pagpabagal sa salita. Ito namang word.
Word. Characters. Edit. Characters. Words.
Word, inikot ko siya ulit na nakalapat ng dalawang daliri na nakatayo sa screen para kang nag-ikot ng takip. Ngayon, swipe mo lang din up and down para mabasa mo yung mga sa screen na word by word.
Quick. Quick.
Tulad niya,
Quick. Settings.
quick settings. So, ganun din. Pag ikot mo naman natin siya, maririnig natin ang
Characters.
characters. So, ganun lang din. Swipe mo siya ng up and down kung gusto mong mabasa ng isa-isa ang mga letra na nakasulat.
Space.
Tulad niyang space,
A. Alpha.
A. So, binabasa niya ng isa-isa yung nasa screen. Ito po ay ginawa kong tutorial para sa mga kakasimula lang gumamit ng iPhone. Abangan niyo po lagi yung gagawin kong tutorial about sa voice over at iba pa kung paano gamitin ang iPhone at iba pang updates ng voice over. Thank you. Paki-follow, like at share na rin ang aking video.